In this video, I'll show you how to use Mobile Hotspot on a Samsung phone. Mobile Hotspot allows you to share your phone's mobile data connection with another device, like a laptop, tablet, or another phone. This is useful when you don't have Wi-Fi available, but you still want to connect your other devices to the internet. To get started, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Once you're in Settings, tap on Connections. From here, look for Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, then tap on it. Now tap on Mobile Hotspot. On this screen, you'll see the hotspot name, password, and other connection details. Before turning it on, you can tap on the network name or password if you want to change them. For example, you can rename your hotspot to something easy to recognize, and you can also create a stronger password so only people you allow can connect. Once everything looks good, turn on the Mobile Hotspot toggle. Your Samsung phone will now start sharing its mobile data connection. To connect another device, open the Wi-Fi settings on that device, look for your Samsung hotspot name, select it, then enter the password shown on your phone. After that, the device should connect to the internet using your phone's mobile data. Just remember, using Mobile Hotspot can use your data quickly, especially if you're watching videos, downloading files, or connecting multiple devices. It can also drain your phone battery faster, so it's a good idea to keep your phone charged while using it. And that's how you use Mobile Hotspot on a Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you share your mobile internet connection easily.